idme is a secure identity verification process that makes sure that only you can access your reemployment assistance benefits. idme has partnered with Florida's Department of Economic Opportunity to verify claimants' identities. New claimants will be required to verify their identity in order to continue their application. Existing claimants may receive an email from DEO stating that they need to verify their identity through idme. In order to verify your identity, you will need a valid email address, your social security number, a mobile phone with camera, and a photo ID, which can be a driver's license, passport, passport card, or state ID. A laptop or computer is optional. If you are a new claimant, you will be guided through the process when you begin your reemployment assistance application. Otherwise, go to the link provided in the email sent from DEO. Enter your email address and choose a password. Write down your password and keep it secure. Click the checkbox to accept the website's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Click Create an idme account. It's very important that you do not close the browser tab during the entire process. idme will send you an email asking you to confirm your email address. If you use a web browser to check your email, be sure to open a new tab for your email. Do not close the idme browser tab. Click the button in the email to confirm your email address. Return to the idme tab on your browser. The page should automatically move forward to the next step. idme uses multi-factor authentication, which just means that whenever you log into your idme account, you will need to request a passcode to access your account. There are several multi-factor authentication options, but the easiest option is to receive a passcode sent to your phone. Enter your phone number. Check your text messages or answer the phone to receive the 6-digit passcode. Return to the idme page in your browser and enter the passcode. Proving your identity involves uploading a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. Choose a document type to submit. You can choose a driver's license, state ID, passport, or a passport card. If you have a photo of your identity document on your computer or phone, you can upload the photo. Otherwise, follow the instructions to take photos of your ID. Follow the instructions to take a selfie. Try to position your face in the center of the camera and take a clear photo. You can retake the photo if needed. Click Continue and return to the idme page in your browser. Enter your social security number and then click Confirm and Authorize. Confirm your information and authorize idme to share your identity verification with DEO. Review your information and make sure it is accurate and complete. When everything is correct, check the box attesting that the information is accurate and click Continue. Click Allow and Continue to allow idme to send your identity verification to DEO. If you are unable to verify your identity, you'll automatically be referred to a trusted referee where you can verify your identity on a video call. Trusted referees are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you need assistance from idme, you can submit a request online at the link provided in the printed guide linked in the description of this video. You can email help@id.me or call 866-775-4363. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.